My name is Susan Ralston, and I live in Stevensburg. The Planning Commission worked a long time on the solar ordinance, and they took into consideration their experience with many solar applications, more than this current board has seen, as well as information provided by the citizens and other counties who have more experience with utility scale solar. I don't think any of you have been to as many public meetings and hearings as we have since 2017 with Trollio, Greenwood, 3 versions of Cricket Solar, and 3 versions of Maroon Solar. And despite our work, this board has deleted key provisions from the ordinance that protect the county and its citizens. I think you're ignoring the wishes of the citizens, particularly those in Stevensburg, who are directly impacted by multiple utility scale solar projects. Listen to us, not the developers, who have a track record of not fulfilling their promises in other counties. Stevensburg is already marred by a controversial data center project and a massive 1,000-acre solar power plant that has already been approved. Passing an ordinance without any teeth will condemn our beautiful rural district to become an industrial wasteland, with Maroon Solar and Northridge Solar already waiting in the wings. All of these projects are close to each other and in the same watershed. The solar policy and draft ordinance of the Planning Commission includes a 300 acreage limit for this utility scale solar, as well as a 50-acre land disturbance limit. And these 2 provisions help protect waterways and neighboring farms from sediment erosion and stormwater runoff, which is a well-documented problem in other Virginia counties, including Spotsylvania, Essex, Louisa, Buckingham, and Mecklenburg. This ordinance is so wishy-washy that anything could pass, and we already know that developers ignore the policy. A strong ordinance will clearly define the total acreage of the project, the number of acres of panels, the total acres allowed in the county, and the distance between projects. Clear guidelines in the ordinance will help county staff by reducing the number of applications that do not comply. We've already seen too many applications like that, and it's a huge waste of county staff time and resources. I recommend that the ordinance be revised as follows. Add a provision to restrict utility scale solar to an existing industrial zone land, because after all, it is a power plant and doesn't belong on agricultural land. Add provisions that govern small scale projects without requiring a substation to benefit single parcel landowners. Add a project acreage limit of 200 acres or less, add a 50-acre disturbance limit, and add provisions that require a 2-mile distance between permitted solar plants. Without these provisions, the ordinance will be insufficient to protect the county and its citizens and should not be adopted.